Hi, Mr. Gray. These are my clients, Emilio Sedan and Adriana Sedan. So they are the owners of Reddy's. And tell me, Adriana, what is your store about?
We're a gourmet store that we basically dedicate on selling cured meats to the Salvadoran public.
And okay, Emilio, tell me something about your problems at the moment.
Our main problem would be keeping inventory up to date on a day-to-day basis, or even hourly basis. Normally, the way we do it now, we have a database that we update every day. So we would like to have something that that automatically updates the items we sell on a regular basis.
So practically that would be a database that is sending feedback to you or Adriana or anyone with authorized access that can not only access it, but could it also be modified if you don't want it to be modified?
We would like some things to be modifiable. I mean, we would like to have full access to the software in case we have any changes to make. But yeah, a little bit of modification on the software would be good.
That's nice. Okay, Adriana, tell me some of your concerns now.
Our main concern again is basically inventory right now. What we're doing is that we manage two different types of products. We manage cheeses and prosciutto, which in order to keep inventory, we use an Excel sheet that our worker is able to use, because the database is a little bit more complicated, and in order to use the database, my brother has to use it. So we would like a program that our worker can use, and we can manage at the same time. Like for example, sometimes we travel, or we have some other meetings, or we're unable to come to the store. So we would like a program that we can access on our house or here in Verdes, or maybe if we're traveling in another country, we are able to access all that data wherever we are.
Okay, sounds nice, but what happens when you're in shortage of product? Do you have to send a formal letter to your, delivery guy, or would you like another solution for it?
We would like to have, we would like that program to let us know in advance when we're running out of stock. Normally we keep a stock about 20 items per product. So we would like, for example, if we're running low on a particular item, say we only have 5, we would like the program to let us know that we're running short, so we could contact our supplier and maybe order more. Or yeah, pretty much that.
Sounds nice. It looks like you need a database with a lot of queries, a lot of fields, and have some primary keys thinking. And maybe would you like it to be automatic, for it to send, instead of sending you the request, instead of sending you a notification, sending you a request to allow the formats that you will do beforehand to be sent to your the guy that delivers you the product, your supplier?
We wouldn't like that specifically, because we like to know beforehand. We don't want it to be sent directly to them. We would like it sent to us so we can review the purchase order, or we'll review the order in general and see if we would like to continue buying that product. Because normally, if the product doesn't sell well, we just get it out of the store as soon as possible.
So what is important for you to understand is that, for example, as I said before, we manage two kinds of products: the cheeses and the prosciutto and all the cured meats. We import them directly from Europe or the United States, while the other products, we have local providers here. So that's kind of like a difference that you need to understand in order to create whatever database or whatever program you need.
Okay, so basically you handle both your things that you need to weigh before you sell, and things that are in a exact amount, right? Like one or none.
For example, one thing that we need to take into consideration is that when we bring a prosciutto leg, there's a lot of we give some for the customers to try. We also have some fat that's basically we cannot sell, or so we need a program that could keep track of what we actually sell, what we can't sell because it's fat or skin or we give out for the customers to try. So in order for us to keep track of what we sell or what we don't sell, or if we're gaining or losing money, because right now we have, as I said before, one spreadsheet that basically we, like for example, we import a certain amount of legs, and we write in Excel that we have, like for example, 500 pounds of prosciutto, and each day our worker, he based on what we sell or what we give to the customers to try, he starts like discounting the amount that we're selling, or we cannot sell because of the fat or something like that, but we cannot keep specific track of what we sell and what we lose.
Or your average sell.
Yeah, how much we actually lose in terms of money with waste from those products. So to summarize, we currently have, as Elena said, we have an Excel sheet that we run just for the cured meats and the cheese, which is all weight product. And then we have a database that only manages wholesale items, like cookies, chocolates, etc., which are items that you sell a specific quantity to a client. For example, you sell 1 bottle of wine, you don't sell half a bottle of wine.
Yeah.
So we want to unify that. We want to have both our prosciutto information and cheese information added to the current database we have. But we need to have the ability to, when we're entering the product, we need to have the ability to add specific decimal values on the, because we sell by weight, we need to have the ability to add that weight, sell the products based on the weight.
Okay, it sounds very complicated, but it's doable, right? And second of all, I have a question. What about your clients? Are you keeping loyalty cards or something that wants your client to come back to your store and buy to you, not to your other competition? These are stores.
Yeah, it's something that we've looked into. We haven't found a good way to implement that type of system. We currently just ask the clients for their email address, their phone number, whenever we remember to do so. We basically keep it in a notebook, and every time somebody gives us their information, we add it to our database, to our online database. I think we currently use MailChimp to handle all our emails and contact information.
Well, sounds nice for this session, so bye, Emilio, goodbye, Adriana.
So